The mind is a basic piece of the human body as it is the focal organ of our sensory system. Its capacities decide the condition of our lives as it is the principal entertainer in charge of deciding detects like touch, smell, hearing, and vision. It is additionally in charge of things like feelings, correspondence, development, and thinking. As it were, people would be totally lost and unfit to carry on with an ordinary existence with the absence of an appropriately working mind. Despite the fact that there are various nourishment ways of life which advance a solid cerebrum and are said to help keep a sound way of life, there are different factors and aggravates that can impact this significant organ. For example, the mind can be affected by the outer condition in which we are situated, yet in addition the interior procedures in our framework. In this article, we will look at the manners by which CBD influences the cerebrum and how it can enable the organ to keep up quality and lift its well-being. CBD, the common compound found inside the cannabis plant, is getting a charge out of expanded prevalence as of late and is turning into a favored protection strategy just as a characteristic solution for various conditions. For example, malignant growth, corpulence, Parkinson's illness, or misery. The cannabinoid would nowadays be able to be found in a scope of items, for example, CBD oil, CBD edibles, CBD tinctures, CBD vape oil, and then some. Be that as it may, what does it do actually for the mind, and how might it be utilized to animate its capacities, CBD and synapses? Altogether for the cerebrum, to speak with the remainder of the body, it utilizes concoction emissaries called synapses. They assume a significant job in sending messages to nerve cells with guidelines to send data over your cerebrum and body. For example, the heart is told to thump, the stomach to process sustenance and different substances, while the lungs are advised to relax. This is all conceivable gratitude to the synapses. They are additionally in charge of controlling our state of mind. Dosing example, fixation and can, accordingly, result in distress or genuine well-being conditions in the event that they are not adjusted or they are harmed. CBD ensuring the synapses. The synapses are a basic piece of the human body and they positively need assurance as they are presented to dangers from a scope of elements. The CBD cannabinoid is fit for shielding neurons from degeneration and can be utilized as avoidance for Alzheimer's malady or other neurological conditions. CBD as a cancer prevention agent. It might be another reality for some that CBD is really contrasted with nutrients C and E with regards to its cell reinforcement potential. Its amazing cell reinforcement capacities help CBD assume a job in shielding the cerebrum from oxidative harm. This normally prompts a lessening of the cerebrum's capacities because of maturing. One of the manners by which CBD aids is by preventing free radicals from making harm the cerebrum. CBD and irritation. One of the predominant and most well-known capacities of CBD is to decrease aggravation, which is another positive impact that it can have on the cerebrum once in our framework.